Hi, it's Sheridan here from the Training Designers Club, and I'm so pleased to finally release this course that I've been working on for quite a while now, all about saving time with AI assisted training design. I really hope that you're going to find it useful because it is going to save you so much time if you learn how to use the ChatGPT in conjunction with good training design practice. But I wanted to do a very quick video just to make sure that you can take advantage of the special launch offer, which ends at the end of February. When you go onto the main page for the course, you can see you have two options. If you are not a VIP member and you have been thinking about it and you want to get 90% off this course, then you click on that button. That will take you through to the VIP membership joining page. You join that, and then once you are a VIP member, on our dashboard, you will be able to see the secret VIP code that will allow you to get 90% off. So, and once you're in, you're in. So if you've been toying with becoming a VIP, or if you're just interested and think, there's so much more to just this course to VIP membership. There are our regular designer drop-ins, there's our resource banks, there's a very active community, as well as discounts on other courses and ready written materials. So now is a great time, is what I'm saying. So if you click on that, you go through the VIP membership. You still have to then come back to this page to purchase the course. But once you are logged in, you can click on this button and it will take you through to the sales page. So this is the sales page when you click on when you're ready to buy, and you can see you have two choices. You can pay in one go or you can pay in 3 installments. And for February, what we need to do here is click this redeem coupon, and we apply the coupon code, and you can see there you get your 50% discount, and then you just complete the rest of your information and your payment details as directed. But I just wanted to show you that because that discount code is quite well hidden, and I didn't want you to end up paying more than you needed to during this launch phase.